Managing multiple clients, multiple logins, and multiple reports. Even the best teams waste hours in reconciliation and compliance tracking. Say hello to Business Dashboard, a unified compliance and analytics suite designed specially for chartered accountants, lawyers, and finance professionals. Benefits of CFO Dashboard, GST refunds, mismatch detection, notice alerts, sales and customer insights, and enhanced productivity. Risks you eliminate: missing ITC credit, inaccurate reporting, and heavy manual time consumption. To start, just 3 easy steps. Enter your business GST number, log in securely, choose your date range, and see your business performance instantly.
In the Overview section, you can see total sales, total purchase, total input tax credit, and even check your refund eligibility instantly. In the Sales section, you'll get a complete detailed view of your sales data.
See total sales, total tax liability, and sales trends at a glance. View top 5 customers, outward supplies by GST rate, and instantly detect GSTR 3B versus GSTR 1 mismatches. ITC Overview. See available ITC, claimed ITC, reversed ITC, and reclaimed ITC, all clearly categorized.
The Notices section, where you can check all the notices you've received and why they were issued.
Compliance details, auto-calculated GST refund eligibility, filed refund amounts, and principal place of business information, real-time insights, zero manual effort, maximum accuracy, CFO dashboard, control, compliance, confidence.